patient I was waiting, ILN.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Clark County, Greene County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., a severe
See how
thunderstorm
patient I was, see how happily I was waiting.
15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Xenia, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Bowersville, Clifton, Springfield Municipal Airport, Rosemore, Houston, John Bryan State Park, Selma, Pigeon, Old Town, Gladstone, Greene County Airport, and Bell Center. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 57 and 58. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 60 and 61. Now here is the
Hooray!
National Weather Service forecast.
Ow, I got a cramp.